Kumusta mga kalabit? Ngayong araw ay isa namang kahilingan ng ating bibigyan ng katuparan dito sa ating programa. Request ko lang.
Walang imposible kung ito ang iyong nais.
At ang kahilingan ito ay nagmula kay Pitskit. Hi sir, pwede po pa-request ng More Than Words? Salamat sir. Shoutout sa'yo Pitskit. Ito na ang iyong More Than Words.
Tutorials at iba pa.
Okay, so bali yung tuning niya is E flat. Kung naka-standard kayo, ibaba nyo lang ng half step. Okay? And then, sa intro, ang chords niya is G. And then, slash B. And then, C add 9 or just C. And then, A minor 7. And then C. Na ganito naman. And then D. D na may sundot. Yung D sus. Ganyan. And then, back to G. Bali dalawang ulit siya. Bali ganito siya. Okay? And then, sa verse. Ang verse natin, hahatiin natin sa dalawang part. Yung first part niya is just the same as yung chords ng intro. Bali ganito siya. Saying I love you, it's not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want you not to say, but if you only knew. Dito na magsa-start yung second part. Ang second part, ang chords ng second part is E minor na may slash na B. Okay? Babaguhin lang natin yung bass. Tapos, A minor 7. And then D. G. D over F sharp. And then E minor. And then may over B ulit. And then A minor. Next is D7. And then G7. C. Then you C minor. Have to say G. And then may bagsak-bagsak dito na parang, di ba? That you lipat agad sa over F sharp. Then E minor. And then over B. And then yung higher E. And then over B again. A minor 7. Ready. D7. No. Okay? So ulitin natin yung sa may bagsak-bagsak, di ba? That you love me 'cause I already know. Okay? Kunin natin yung second part, di ba? Knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me 'cause I already know what. Okay? And then dito na tayo sa chorus. Yung chorus naman is G. Di ba nagaling tayo sa G? And then over B. And then G over B. Bali dalawang ulit siya, di ba? What would you? Ganun siya, okay? And then D over F sharp. 2. And then E minor. And then biglang over B. And then B minor 7. And then C. Bali ganito siya. If my heart was torn into more than words to show. Over B. You feel. And then A minor 7 yon. And then D7. Love for me is G. Okay? Uulitin lang natin yon, yung buo na yon. Magiging dalawang ulit lang yung buong set na yon. Bali magiging ganito siya. Diba? Galing sa G. What would you do if my heart was torn into more than words to show you feel that your love for me is real? What would you say if I took those words away? Then you can make things new just by saying I love you. Okay, yung pagkatapos ng chorus na yon, balik sa intro, dalawang ulit. And then, verse. Just the same lang din, pero lang dun sa second part. Yung second part kasi niya, di ba? And touch me, hold me close, don't ever let me go, more than words. Okay, narinig nyo, kumatok ako. Papasukin nyo. Hindi, bale, ano lang yun, yung di ba may slash, di ba pagkagaling sa E minor may slash na B, ayun, pinalitan lang ng knock, di ba? More than words. And then, yung susunod doon is same lang din ng lahat, di ba? So I ever needed you to show, then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. Okay, and then yung next ng second verse is chorus ulit. Yung chorus parehas lang din. So tapos na tayo dito kasi yung intro, verse, chorus, and then intro again, verse, chorus. Yun yung sa may radio edit, okay? Pero kung gusto nyong kunin yung outro, bali ganito siya.